after the High Court bail denied in the Liquorgate scandal. The latest coming in for Manish Sisodia is that Manish Sisodia has moved the Supreme Court challenging the Delhi High Court order. The Delhi High Court had stated policy frame for proceeds of crime. Allegations on Sisodia are serious in nature. At the back of that, Manish Sisodia has now approached the Supreme Court. I want to cut across to Kanu Sharda for getting us the latest updates on that story. Kanu, what are you picking up?
Well, Preeti, Manish Sisodia, the former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister, has just filed a petition in the Supreme Court in both the cases of CBI and ED in the Delhi liquor scam case. In his petition, for which the details are not yet clearly known, but what our sources have told us that he has pleaded that he is not a flight risk, he is a responsible citizen, and he passes the triple test of getting bail as stipulated by the Supreme Court in various judgments. Manish Sisodia has also cited his wife's health as one of the reasons for seeking bail. Last week only, the Delhi High Court had denied him bail in the ED case. So the High Court has passed strict statements against Manish Sisodia, saying that he was actively involved in the in framing of the policy, and it is because of him the entire scam has been done, and the proceeds of crime were directly linked to him. So,
Delhi High Court at that point of time, Kanu Sharda, was reading out of, wasn't observations made independently by the Delhi High Court. They were reading out of what the prosecution had stated. It wasn't independent observation. So one clarity there. Number two, Kanu Sharda, now what? The counsel of Manish Sisodia has approached the Supreme Court. What would be the next step?
Preeti, yes, the prosecution has not stated all these observations which High Court order has come out with. And secondly, the next step would be that the counsel for Manish Sisodia is likely to mention this before the Supreme Court tomorrow or early next week for urgent hearing, because what we are hearing is that Manish Sisodia's wife is again hospitalized, and he might seek an urgent hearing, saying that he needs to take care of his wife, and that is why he is seeking urgent bail. And if he is granted bail on the similar conditions, like Satyendra Jain has also been granted medical bail, if Sisodia is also granted bail of that sort for taking care of his wife, he could be out soon. So,
all right, Kanu. Okay, Kanu Sharda, appreciate you joining us. Manish Sisodia's counsel will now be approaching the Supreme Court for bail. We'll keep a keen eye. At least the counsel has pushed for an urgent hearing, as Manish Sisodia's wife is once again in the hospital. He has constantly raised concerns about her suffering, as she's suffering from multiple sclerosis. His son is abroad studying in Canada.